back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review, as you can tell by the title. So today I will be reviewing this hair, and this is just an initial review just because I just got the hair installed maybe like an hour ago. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an initial review of what I think about the hair so far, what it came with, and things like that. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Okay, so as you can tell, this is a bob. It's a bob, cute little bob. So it is a 14-inch 13 by 4 bob, and this came from an AliExpress company named Jazz Star. So this is the box that the wig came in, and on the box it just has their email, their name, and I thought this was a really cute box. And then it also has the inch that the hair came in, which this is a 14-inch bob. So when you open the box up, this is what you see. So this obviously wasn't what I saw when I first opened it, but so the wig came inside of this wig bag, and it's just a plastic blue bag, or plastic clear bag rather, and it says 13 by 4 bob, and it says 14 inch. So it came in this bag. When you pull the wig out of the bag, of course you're gonna have this hair net around it just to keep the wig in place while it is going through packaging. So when you take that out, you get the wig, and inside of the wig was this piece of like tissue paper to keep the wig, I'm guessing, its shape. And then it also had this, probably just to keep the shape while it was in the box. Also, the hair came with this really cute hairpin. This is the pin, really cute. So it came with this, and then it also came with like this little ponytail holder with like a bow on it. I didn't think it was cute, it's kind of childish, but we ain't gonna talk about that because that was cute. And lastly, it comes with a care card on how to wash and care for your wig. So it just has directions on how to care for your wig, how to wash it and things like that, how to keep it in its best condition. And yeah, so that was everything that came in the box with this wig. Now, in terms of the wig itself, fresh out the package, and by the way, I didn't install this. This wig was actually installed by my friend Chantel. She also has a YouTube. I'll link her YouTube below so you guys can go subscribe to her. She also has some really good content, so go check her out. Her link will be in the description box. But yeah, so she installed this wig on me, and she did a great job. As you can see, it looks really good. It looks really good, like, love it. And I was actually scared to get a bob because the last time I got a bob, I didn't like it. It looked really like not natural, and it just didn't look good on me. But I think this honestly looks great, and this is making me actually like bobs again. So shout out to Chantel. But yeah, so when she put the wig on my head, I noticed she said that the wig was really choppy. So the way that the company had cut the hair was not very well. So she had to actually go in and custom cut the wig itself for 2 reasons. One is because she said it was choppy, and secondly because I ordered a 14-inch wig just because I wanted it longer, so that way we could cut it if I wanted it shorter, and I did indeed want it shorter. So she ended up cutting it to this customized length, which I would say is probably about more like 12 inches if we're being realistic. So yeah, I would say this is like 12 inches. So she cut it to the custom length that I wanted it. And yeah, she customized it to my head. She did the cat method, and the baby hairs and things like that. So as far as the initial review, as in how it feels, how it looks, how it performs, I think the hair is really nice so far. It's really silky and shiny, but not wiggy shiny or not synthetic shiny. It gives that natural shine to it, as you guys can see. It doesn't have any tangles, as you can see. I'm just combing straight through it like butter. I thought the lace was pretty good. It came with like a light brown lace that really matched my skin tone pretty good, I think. The lace isn't itchy. That's one thing I hate, is some itchy lace. So the lace isn't itchy at all, and the part looks really natural. I didn't bleach the knots on it just because I just got this wig today and I was thirsty to get my hair done, because y'all, my wig that I just took off was literally like hanging off my head, like hanging. So yeah, I didn't get to bleach it or do anything like that, but I still think it looks really natural. If you ask me, I think it looks still really good. Plus, I didn't plan on keeping this bob hairstyle in that long. I plan on keeping it 2 weeks, if that, just because I am starting to want to change my hair more often and try new things. So I don't plan on keeping it that long, so it really didn't need that much customization besides the baby hairs, cutting it, and things like that. Overall, I really do like this hair. I would recommend this hair. I think it's really good so far. I'll probably make a video in the future just discussing if the hair still holds up to how it is holding up now, and I'll let you know how that goes once I get ready to take it out. But yeah, I think the initial review is great here. I recommend it. No complaints, just besides how it came cut, which you probably want to customize a bob wig anyway, so not a big deal. But yeah, I definitely recommend this wig to you guys. It's really good so far. I'm excited to wear it. I'm glad it came out the way it came out, because I was really scared to try short hair again, or especially bobs, because bobs in the past have just been a disaster for me. So I'm really glad that this hair came out really cute on me. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave the direct link to this hair in the description box below. Like I said, I'm also going to leave my friend Chantel's YouTube in the description box below, so you guys can go watch her videos and subscribe to her. And yeah, so that's it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.